Welcome back to my channel. Cheche here once again. And for tonight's recipe is...
Oh yeah, apparently it's beef mince curry. Hey, fantastic.
Let's talk about the ingredients.
Mince.
I have the beef mince, cumin, turmeric, sultanas, King's curry powder, thickened cream, salt, pepper, the extra virgin olive oil, garlic, onion, potatoes, and coriander. Let's start cooking. I already put the oil in the frying pan here. Next, I'm going to put the garlic, onion, then the potatoes, the beef mince, stir it. Next is the cumin, turmeric, and the King's curry powder, salt, and pepper. Look, it's already winter time in Australia. That's why I cooked earlier today. So here the pot belly is very useful for us to keep the heating in our faces. Otherwise, you won't be able to stay outdoors. It's just so cold. Keep going. Now I will cover this. Now I'm going to put the sultanas. This thickened cream. I will put the whole lot. So I'm gonna stir it. Now I'm going to put this coriander. So tonight we are going to eat beef mince curry,
Potatoes.
potatoes.
With sour cream and chives. Have we got
Yes.
chives?
Yes, we do have chives.
Oh.
We are
Sour cream and chives with potatoes.
yes.
Baked potatoes on a fire.
Yeah, we have that. We have a campfire right there, and we have a special guest tonight. I
No
was
claret.
cooking with the other stove there, but you know, my cooking is a hit or miss. This one is obviously burned. Oh yeah, and we have guests, so
That's a miss then.
I just have to scrape it, and
Yeah, we don't like charcoal.
but the other side is still cooking. Not only goes to show that behind the camera, it's not all perfect. There are some incidents that's making the food, bad. So let's continue. Let's carry on with my cooking. This beef mince curry is my husband's favorite. So every time my sister cooks it for us, he always asks me to learn how to cook it. I went to her house a few days ago and she showed me the whole process, so this is it. Now I'm going to add tomato sauce. Now my beef mince curry is served. Let me try it. Thank you so much for watching, and now it's thank you so much for watching my whips. Move! Move, I'm filming! Okay, where are we? Shout out to Ma'am Era Simagala, Boss Jerome, Motovlog, She and Bertine Vlogs. Hi. Sarathi's Kitchen. Thank you. Cindy Bauer. Thank you so much. Young Gabara Butchery. To Glenn and Daryl. Hi. See you in my next vlog. Bye.